Where the rose of Yarmouth once did stand, we see a different view, for things are changing quickly. Complete 1962, the area will be reborn. They say it will be great, and those in office high above will call it Middlegate. The narrow alleyways are gone, the winding lanes of stone, where ancient fishwives used to call, now rubble is well sown. The Blitz could never finish off what time had left to keep, but this new vision, clean and bold, cuts deeper than the deep. Cranes now rise above the roofs where herring casks once lay, and heavy lorries bring the steel to greet the brand new day. They promise shops and modern flats a future bright and grand, to sweep the shadows of the past across this changing land. The foundations sink into the earth where merchants plied their trade. A different world is built upon the promise that is made. This photograph a stark farewell to all that stood before. A bustling precinct soon will rise and life returns once more. Concrete blocks and ordered lanes, a sterile easy sweep. The ghost of Yarmouth's treasured rose now buried fast and deep.